Hello and welcome. This will be the eighth selection that I will be making, looking to make 100 picks in under a year. And I am looking to have a very good return on investment. What we're probably going to see is a lot of these big plus prices. I've already hit two of them, hitting a proposition that was just magnificent. I think it was around 385 plus on a tight end to get a few catches, and he did. And then I had a hockey pick on a couple nights ago with the Edmonton Oilers winning. I think it was better than plus 200. And I also had a normal football pick win as well at minus 110 with four losers along the way. So that's profitable. And in this selection here, we're looking at the Chicago Blackhawks going to Florida to take on the Florida Panthers. Now, Florida was supposed to take on Dallas to start the season off. And the Dallas Stars, with the current situation in COVID, several or a decent enough amount of players and staff members getting tested positive. Thus, they're not able to play for several more days. And they were supposed to be playing the Florida Panthers. So, as a result, the Panthers haven't played a game yet. And the Chicago Blackhawks have played two, and they haven't looked good in those two, losing 5-2 and 5-1, and they did so to the defending champion Tampa Bay Lightning. And this is a situation where we have a team that'll be just playing their first game in a long time. And they're playing a Chicago team who has played two with rest. And this, to me, is a big, big advantage, I think. And I think early on, it's going to be noticeable. Thus, as the game moves on in the second and third period, I think this could shift better towards the Florida side as the rust wears off a little bit. And then, of course, their better skill factor could come into play. Chicago's not that good of a team. But they do still have NHL players and good NHL players, with players like DeBrincat and Kane and so many other ones along the way. So in such, I'm getting a price of plus 211 on the three-way for the period one, which you can pick Chicago, you can pick that of Florida, or you can pick a draw to be tied. And I think the Chicago Blackhawks have a very good chance of taking a lead after the first period comes into play. If you're right 33% of the time, you'd barely be profiting with a 211 price. So I have to ask myself, is it more probable, noticeably greater than 33% likely? And I wouldn't be surprised if it's even closer to 40%, and maybe a little higher than that as well, and thus to justify it to be, I think, good value. Another way of putting it is they're laying a half a goal in the first period, because if they don't win by one or more, you lose. If they do win by one or more, then that becomes a win. And of course, risk-reward management's always job number one. Whatever you do, it's if you want to play it, fade it, just watch it, and or not even care or whatever, it's up to you. But myself, I'm putting a small size, but decent, okay, 0.07. BCH, Bitcoin Cash. So just a small hope it works kind of bet, and it's with CloudBet, and I'm not supporting them in any way that's in or promoting or advertising. However, every time I've withdrawn, they pay me instantly. And what I'll do is, if I win, I'll withdraw it instantly, because it is very easy to deposit funds in for myself, and then it comes in very quick. Of course, you want to look at different type of bonus stuff. But whenever I do deposit cryptocurrencies into sites, if I can, a lot of times, if I'm unsure, I'll just do small amounts just to make sure at first. And then when I get comfortable with it, which of course I've been in cryptocurrencies for near 4 years now, then I can confidently do so many different things, knowing the ins and outs on how to trade and move cryptos. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.